Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
So that's going to be the direction we're going to go, but we're just going to highlight this area right here. This is when you got some temples. Looks like the rain is really coming in over there. These little patios are kind of like the little residential areas. Okay. The lights are kind of coming on, even though it's still pretty early in the afternoon. Okay, so we have a rainy Sunday here, and we're going to be walking down dos Mercadores, which is in Macau. And we're basically going to walk straight into that alley, and then we're going to go up the hill a little bit. And we're kind of in an interesting area. You can see Lisboa Casino over there. This is the Central Hotel. That's all lit up at night. It looks beautiful. Pisana, Camilo Pisana, it's a street named after a poet from Portugal. But this one is Mercadores. This is going to be a kind of a merchant street. So we're going to follow all the umbrellas and just kind of show you what it looks like around here. And that's the main street right there. You can see Lisboa straight in that direction. And you got some buses with some passengers seeing what I'm doing. So let's stay tuned and let's go right down this Mercadores. Okay, so we're going to be going down Mercadores. Let me just kind of show you where we are a little bit. So that's going to be the direction we're going to go, but we're just going to highlight this area right here. This is beautiful black and white tiled street, and all the cars are coming by, and the Hotel Central, a beautiful building, is right at the base of our street. This is Avenida de Almeida Ribera. So we're going to go down. The lights are kind of coming on, even though it's still pretty early in the afternoon. Mercadores Street, which is Street of the Merchants, which is this one. It's a beautiful architecture right there in the corner with a nice balcony up there too. So let's go down. Got more of our black and white tiles, and we also have kind of a new store right here. I haven't seen this. This is a brand new store, just opened up. Looks like they sell candy and tourist snacks. Okay, pudding, all kinds of interesting stuff. Let me just kind of get a picture of this green building right here. So, okay. Let's keep on going down our target. Yeah, kind of a rainy day today. We also have this little patios. We'll just walk in just to get out of the rain a little bit. Then you got some temples. Looks like the rain is really coming in over there. These little patios are kind of like the little residential areas, more or less. So we're gonna be going straight up that way, but I'm gonna come over here to get out of the rain again. That guy right there, the older guy, he's always in this area. And this one goes all the way down to Felicidade. That's the older gentleman right there. And then this one has all these pedestrian streets. But we're going to move out of the rain and into our target street. We're on our target street already, but we're going to continue on our target street, which is dos Mercadores, Street of the Merchants. Yeah, we got quite a bit of rain right now. It's supposed to be a rainy day the next 2 days, and it's been really hot and wet. It's kind of typical for this time of year. It's March right now, so that's kind of what we're looking at. So we're gonna walk straight up this way, try to avoid the rain, and kind of see what's around here as well. Here's a watch shop. Okay. The lights are kind of coming on, even though it's still pretty early in the afternoon. It's kind of a dark, wet day. So we're gonna keep on walking up. Let me see. So we're gonna try to get all the way up to the top there. This is basically the street that we were coming on, so it's a little bit of an alleyway. Got some fish restaurant right there. Yeah, kind of a wet day. So we're almost at the base of it, but I do want to capture that this kind of has this nice, let me see, that's all wet. Some nice buildings right in here. And then there's a Full Brother Vietnamese restaurant right to the left. Right there. I've ate there before. We're gonna go all the way up to the top here. So let's head on over this way. And now we're at the base of our street. Pretty wet. And then this is it's so wet today. It's kind of a good day for filming, but not a good day to stay dry. And that's our target street. And we are going to end it for the street. So this is called Mercadores 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.
Toma cuidado la boquinha.